Do tattoos align with the teachings of the Bible? This question has sparked debates and discussions among believers for centuries. Let's get into the scriptures to uncover what the Bible actually says about tattoos. In the book of Leviticus, chapter 19, verse 28, it states, "You shall not make any cuts on your body for the dead or tattoo yourselves. I am the Lord." This verse is often used as a foundation to argue against getting tattoos. However, it's important to consider the historical context of this verse. In ancient times, tattoos were often associated with pagan rituals and idolatry. The prohibition in Leviticus aimed to distinguish God's chosen people from these practices, serving as a reminder to remain separate from the customs of other nations. As we move forward into the New Testament, we find that the Bible does not explicitly address tattoos. Instead, it emphasizes the condition of our hearts and the transformation that comes from accepting Jesus Christ as our Savior. Rather than focusing solely on external appearances, the Bible encourages us to prioritize the development of our inner character and our relationship with God. While the Bible doesn't condemn tattoos outright, it does urge believers to act with wisdom and moderation. It encourages us to consider the potential implications of our choices and how they may influence others. Ultimately, the decision to get a tattoo is a personal one rooted in individual convictions and cultural contexts. It is essential to approach this topic with respect, empathy, and understanding. In conclusion, the Bible does not explicitly forbid tattoos. Instead, it emphasizes the importance of our heart's transformation and our relationship with God. As believers, we should seek wisdom and consider the implications of our choices. Let our faith guide our decision-making processes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful discussions on biblical teachings.